Hey guys, so quick updates. We are turning our website into a mobile app experience. This means you'll be able to add it straight to your phone's home screen just like any other app. No need to go through the app store. One tap, you're in. It will load faster, look cleaner, and feel just like an actual mobile app. Whether you're booking a service, checking out a blog, or making a purchase, it will be smoother. We are all about ease and aesthetic, and it's just one step toward making your experience 10 times better. Stay tuned. Hey besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am back with a brand new video on how you can turn your WordPress website into a mobile app. No code, no cost. So the topic of the day is how we can turn our WordPress website into a progressive web app. So let's say you have a WordPress website, a blog, a portfolio, a business website, and you mostly get your visitors from mobile, so they're expecting like speed and app level smoothness. So this topic is actually one of the overlooked topic on YouTube channel, and today I'll be sharing it with you guys because we don't keep in this channel. What we are doing today, we'll be turning your WordPress website into a progressive web app, PWA, without paying a developer or touching any code. And trust me guys, we'll be using a free plugin for this because you guys know me, free resources forever. By the way guys, my name is Blessing and your go-to WordPress developer and digital expert, and I help you guys create beautiful functional WordPress websites. So if you're looking to get into WordPress development, or you're looking to get WordPress hacks and tools that will save you time and give you the solid free resources that you want, then you are in the right place. So let's get straight into it. What is a PWA, progressive web app? A progressive web app is a website that feels and works like a mobile app, and with that your website gets offline access like add to home screen options, improved speed, app style, UI, boosted SEO, and so much more. So what we'll be needing to do this today is just a WordPress website and a free plugin that we're going to be installing on our website. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. Navigate to your WordPress dashboard and go to your plugin, add new plugin, search for super. So this is the plugin that I'll be using today. This is the plugin of the day. So just go ahead. I already have this installed, so you can just go ahead and just install it, then activate it. After activating this, it's going to take you to this dashboard where you can just like optimize what you want, how your websites will look on mobile. So here you can just use your application name, which is my website's name. So you can just use a short form. I use bweb or bweb expert, but let's just leave it as bweb. For this icon, you have to choose an icon that shows, you know, when you have a what's it called? Let's use Spotify. I don't know why you're using Spotify, but let's just use Spotify. It's when you download the app, the icon that shows on the app, there's what we're going to be adding here. So you can just go ahead and choose your icon. This one. So scroll down. Background color is going to look like so. I already have my background color. You can just choose your theme color so you can match your brand's color and save your settings. After saving your settings, it's time to just go ahead and test what we have done so far. Hello guys, so this is the website that we just turned into a PWA, as you can see. So if you want to add this to your home screen, just go ahead and just click on the share button, scroll down, and you will see this add to home screen. Just go ahead and just click on the add to home screen. Voila, you have it here. So just go ahead, add to your home screen, and that's that. You have your mobile app. Isn't that amazing? So please, if you found this video helpful, go ahead and like this video and share to others so it can help YouTube to recommend it to others. And don't forget to subscribe so I can keep dropping more of these gems for you guys. Thank you guys. Bye.